Hello everyone, welcome to Linux Help tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about some Iptables commands. In the previous section of this video, we have discussed some Iptables commands to block some unwanted connections by using IP address or MAC address, and we have blocked some network by using its network IP, and we have blocked some ports and protocols for a particular connections, and we have set some port forwarding rule by using Iptables. This is the last segment for this Iptable series. In this video, we are going to see rest of the Iptable commands that we need to learn. Now I'm going to show you how to block the loopback access by using Iptables. Before that, try to ping your loopback IP. Now type ping space 127.0.0.1. This is the loopback IP. Now enter. Now it's pinging. Now run the following command to block the loopback access. Now type this command. This command will block the input connection for loopback access. Now hit enter and now try to ping your loopback IP. Ping space 127.0.0.1 and enter. Now we can see we are getting no reply from our loopback IP because we have blocked this incoming connection by using Iptables. Press Ctrl C to terminate. If you want to store a log file for your dropped packets means run the following command. This will store a log file in this name rejected packets for every incoming connection for this network interface ETH0. Now hit enter. Now list the Iptable rules. Iptables space hyphen capital L space hyphen N space hyphen V and enter. Here you can see the rule is added. Here we have an entry for blocking all connection from this specific IP address. If any incoming connections is coming from this IP means the packets will be dropped and the dropped packets will be stored in log file in the name of rejected packets. Next I am going to show you how to limit the incoming connection for my Apache web server, because if there are too many connections is coming for my web server means my server will get slow. To avoid this issue, we need to limit the incoming connections for our Apache web server by using Iptables. For that, run the following command. This is the command. Here we are limiting 110 connections per minute for my Apache server. 80 is the default port number for Apache. Here we are setting limit burst up to 150 connections. Now hit enter. Now check the Iptables list. Iptables space hyphen capital L space hyphen N space hyphen V and enter. Here you can see the entry is created. Now my Apache server will allow only this number of connections per minute. Next I want to limit the number of connections for my client. I want my client to access my server by using SSH only 3 times. If the 4th time is any request for SSH is coming from my client side means I want to block my client by accessing my server. For that, run the following command. This is the command. This will limit the client for accessing my server by using SSH connection. This is the port number for SSH. Here I have mentioned connection limit as 3. So after the 3rd connection, my server will not allow the client to access from SSH. Now hit enter. Now check the Iptables rules. Iptables space hyphen capital L space hyphen N space hyphen V and enter. Here you can see the rule is added. Next I am going to show you how to search for a Iptable rules by using a string. Now let's see Iptables rules. Iptables space hyphen capital L space hyphen N space hyphen V and enter. Here there are 2 rules is added. Now I want to search for this specific rule. Run the following command. This is the command is used for searching any string in Iptables. Now this command will list you the rule which has this ICMP. Now hit enter. Now you can see this is the rule we are looking for. By using this command, we can able to search for any IPtable rules. If there are so many rules added means you can search for a specific rule by using this command. Now I want to create a new chain in IPtables. Run the command IPtables space -N space and enter the chain name. You can give any name. I will give new -chain and enter. Now this is the IPtables space -L space -N space -V and enter. Here you can see a new chain will be created in the IPtables. This chain is created in filter table. If you want to create a chain in nat table or mangle table, you can mention here -T nat. This command will create a new chain in nat table, same as you can create a chain in mangle table by typing mangle. If you want to delete this chain, run the following command IPtables space -X table name new -chain and enter. Now this is IPtables space -L space -N space -V and enter. Here you can see that chain is removed from IPtables. To allow established and related connections, run the following command. This is the command we need to enter to allow established and related connections. Now hit enter. Now let's see the IPtables rules. IPtables space -L space -N space -V and enter. Here you can see this rule is added to drop the invalid packets by using IPtables. Run the following command. This is the command. This command will drop the invalid packets. Now hit enter. Now check the IPtables rules. IPtables space -L space -N space -V. And here this rule is added for dropping invalid packets in IPtables. Next I am going to block a IP address for my network interface ETS0. For that, run the following command. This command will block the incoming connection from this IP address for my network interface ETH0. Now hit enter. Now let's see the IPtables rules. IPtables space -L space -N space -V. Here the rule is added to block the outgoing mails for SMTP by using IPtables. Run the following command. This is the command. This command will block the all outgoing mails for SMTP. These are the SMTP port numbers. We are blocking more than one port numbers, so we have to mention here multi-port option for blocking multi-ports. Now hit enter. Now this is the IPtable rules. IPtable space -L space -N space -V and enter. Here the rule is added. Now IPtables will block the all outgoing mail for SMTP. After adding any entry in IPtables, we must save the IPtables by running the command service IPtables save. Now IPtables is saved all the rules we have created. If you want to clear all the rules in IPtables, run the following command IPtables space -F. -F is used for flushing the IPtable rules. Now hit enter. Now all the IPtable rules is cleared for filter table because we have not mentioned any table name here, so it will clear the entry for default table filter table. If you want to clear all the entries in that table, run the command as space -t space nat. This will clear all the rules in nat table. Now enter iptable space -S space -t space mangle. This will clear all the rule in mangle table. Now enter. So that's all about iptable commands. Now you have learned some iptables commands and how to define some rules in iptables. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.